Hi everyone. Salesforce Consulting and Admin Training Day 9 today. Today's agenda is we are going to quickly review the previous session of the consulting. And today the topic we will see the product master, we will talk about the product, we will see the price book, product price book, opportunity product, and then we'll see how to enable the code, quiz, homework, and today's interview questions. Okay, so before I move on to the product master, what did we learn last time?
List view.
List views,
List view side.
object tab field definitions, and filters.
Okay, we have seen the on the opportunity level, what are the different stages are there? We have seen how these stages are, each stages, what is that mean, and how the probability is dependent on this stage. Where can we set all this information we have seen? So basically, when the lead is created, for example, lead is created. Now I'm creating the lead. Let's say Melissa. Salesforce, these are the two fields. Mandatory, let's save it. So what we did is we converted this lead. Assume that everything has gone through it. So while converting, it will ask whether you wanted to create a new one or old one, Salesforce opportunity. So let's go ahead and create new one. I'm converting it. As soon as I click on a convert, the account contact opportunity gets created for this lead. Now go to the leads, click on this. Now if I go to the opportunity, I see that sales opportunity is got created. And after this, we have seen a stages. What are the different stages options? Here, prospecting, need analysis, value proposition, ID decision maker, perception analysis, price quote, negotiation, closed, own, closed, lost. And based on this pick list value, the probability gets changed. And we have seen how to set this in the object manager. Now, today focus is product master. Product master. The product master is nothing but master table maintaining the product and corresponding price. Product master is nothing but maintaining the product and corresponding price is called product master. And product master consists of it consists of two tables. So within the product master, we'll have a first one called product and the second one is called price book. Right? Product master is maintaining product and corresponding price is called product master. So basically, it is product master is nothing but they are maintaining this product and maintaining the corresponding price. What is the corresponding price? We will see that. Now let's understand each one of them clearly. What is product? What is price book? Now what is the product here? What is the product?
It may be
service.
product.
Product the customers have ordered like that.
Anything which is available for sale is called product. So that means any item or commodity available for the sale is called product. In simple definition, anything which is available for sale. That could be either I'm selling a car or I'm selling a iPhone or I'm selling a course, anything. Anything which we are selling it is called product. That means any item or commodity available for sales. For example, iPhone 14 course, we are selling the course, Java, SAP, Salesforce, .NET, all these courses also product. Now, how can we create a product in Salesforce? Navigation steps. Click on an app launcher and select the product. And click on new button on the product object. So when we click on a new product on the object, this is the screen which we will see. This is the screen we will see where it has 6 fields. Go to the app launcher, select a product, click on a new button on the product object. As soon as we click on a new product, we will see this screen. Now here in the screen, the first field is product name. So product name is nothing but name of the product. Are you selling an iPhone? The name of the product is iPhone. If you are selling a course, the name of the product is course. Or if you are selling a SAP, the name of the product is SAP. What are the product that they are selling it? Which are the product they are selling it? The name of the product is basically whatever we are selling it. And the next one is product code. Every product has a code which is linked to the product. When you order in the Amazon, right? The package, when it comes with the package, if you look at clearly on any product, you take any product, it has a code. When you are reading the description or directions to use, or when you are seeing the price, so there only it will have the product code. So every product is associated with product code. So there is no product which does not have a product code. So each and any product, you take any product, iPhone 14 or anything you take it, it has to have some product code associated with it. Next one is product currency. By default in Salesforce, we are seeing the USD, US dollars. We can set the different currency here, INR or any other currency, we can set it. How to set that currency is another topic. But for now, by default, Salesforce is giving the USD-US dollar. And next one is product description. Product description is nothing but detailed information about the product. So add more information here about the product. And the next one is active. Active is nothing but is the product still available, still active? That means if it is checked, that means this product is still available. If this product is unchecked, that means these products are not available right now. Product family. Right now, product family by default, Salesforce is giving as a none. Now we can create, there is no options here. If you drop down and click on this icon, you will not see any of the options. You will see only the none. That means by default, Salesforce is giving the option called none. But assume that you have a multiple products, Apple related products, or you take Samsung related products, or you take anything, Ferrari car related products. If you take anything, for example, we are creating a product. We are creating a product related to that company or related to that family. So what we will do is we will add here few options like a Apple, Ferrari, what are the product families are there, we will add it. So that means within that product family, they are selling the multiple products. Now here you see there are only 2 fields are mandatory. Product name is mandatory, product currency is mandatory. Rest all are not mandatory. But that does not mean that we should not be filling these information. We have to fill. In real time, The product name has to fill, the product code has to fill, product currency, and we have to check this active or not. And if in real time, we rarely use the product family, but the active and the description. This information we use it in the real time. Now let's go ahead and see in the Salesforce. Now, right now we have, okay, now click on this app launcher. Click on view all. What are we doing? We are trying to create a product. We are trying to identify product. Do I see here product anywhere? I don't see the product, right? So that's the reason I came to the app launcher. Here it is the products. Now, instead of going into the app launcher and finding the product, if I wanted to place it here, what is the configuration that I need to do?
Click on drop.
Edit page.
Edit.
Navigation.
Tab,
Edit
tab
page.
section.
Setup apps.
Tabs.
Setup apps, app manager. You have to go to
Uh,
manager.
App manager.
So in the app manager, you have to open the related
Sales.
application. What is the application? Sales.
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 Click on edit and then you choose the navigation item.
Yes.
Okay, products is here. I'll move it here. Let's bring it back to the.
Ma'am, page layout, which is just like making that tab to be available, right? Not.
Page layout, are you talking about the quick action?
No, ma'am, just a page layout.
Page layouts are decided what fields needs to be displayed.
Okay, and that like we can't decide those tabs and all.
Tabs, we cannot do that. So here we see the products, right? So in the product, if I click on the new button, right now you see 6 are there, 6 fields: product name, product code, product description, active, product family. Here, there is nothing is there, none option. None option is there, right? So if you wanted to add, you can add it. We will discuss that when we discuss about the field, we will discuss that. Right now, only the information that we have to give is product name. We have to give only the product's name. Just hold on a second. Okay. So right now, what are the products that we are going to create it? So we are going to create 4 products. Salesforce course, it should be active. Lightning course, active. HTML and JavaScript should be active. Integration, not active. So total 4, we are going to create it. Product name, Salesforce course. Product code, SFDC 2023. And product description, we will add this information and we will activate it. Product family, none. First 3 are active and the last one is not active. This is what we are going to create it right now in the Salesforce. Salesforce course. Let's go here. Yeah. Salesforce course. It's active. Product code, let's SFTC 2023. In the description, Salesforce admin, comma development. Now click on save. But instead of clicking on save, I'll click on save and new, because I need to create 3 more products. I need to create 3 more products. If I click on save here, what will happen? It will go back to the products page. What are the record I have created? It will go here. I need to come back to the product tab, and again I need to click on new. Now let's create the second one. Lightning course. Active. Product code LT 2023. Lightning Aura. LWC. This time I'm going to click on save and new, because I do not want to go back to the record and again come back to the clicking on this tab, come back to this place. So if I click on save and new, I can simply, again what will happen, it will open the new record. I need not to click on anything. So if I click on a save button, multiple clicks I need to do it. So what I have done is I just clicked on a save and new, because I know that I need to create two more records, HTML and JavaScript. Active HJ 2023. HTML, JavaScript, CSS. Click on save and new. The final one which I'm going to create it is integration. Integration is not active. The last one is not active. So Salesforce configuration and integration. REST. So API. This time I'll click on save, because I'm done with creating the records. Now let's go back to the products. How many we have created total? 4 we have created. Salesforce course, Lightning course, HTML and JavaScript, and the integration. These 3 are active, whereas integration is not active.
Swapna?
Yeah.
Yeah. To add new tabs, we can even use this edit button, right? Edit this pencil, which we can see besides in the right corner, besides sales, below after more, above a navigation menu, about new. This one, this, yeah.
To add a new record?
No, to add tab, I mean, like if I want to add product or anything else.
Yes, you can do this. When you click on this, if you wanted to add more items, click on it. Where it is driving, it is ultimately driving you back to the here, all items.
Yeah.
But here you will see everything. You can add it here also. Let's suppose, yeah, I'll come back to this later. Okay, so here we have created, sorry.
No, my question was, I could see it in sales, but in other clouds, I could not see it. Like suppose a marketing cloud, I could not see this edit option. So is there any settings because of which it comes? That was my
This
question.
icon, we will come to that.
Okay.
I don't want to divert the topic. So we have created 4 products: Salesforce course product, Lightning course product, HTML and JavaScript product, and the integration product. And second, third, fourth. These all are active and the integration is deactive. So that's what we have created right now. Right? Now the product is created. And remember that product we will not be creating every day. Every day we won't be creating the product. Or every 1 hour I'll not be creating the product. Product is a one-time creation. Product is one-time creation. If you check this lead, if you go to the lead, what happens every day? We are going to create some 10 leads or more than 100 leads. Every 1 hour it is getting created. But products are not like that. Products are, it's a one-time creation. Whenever the product is released in the market, that time what we will do, they will give the data to the inside whoever the Salesforce team is there, whoever the team developers or admin team is there, they will give the data to that team. So these are the product information. This is the product name and this is the product code and this is the product description, right? So these are the information is given by them when it is launched, maybe yearly 1-2 product, right? So once it is created, it will be in the system for a long time. Now later, if they come back and say that right now integration is just created, but don't activate it because we are supposed to release this product, but still we are in testing phase. We might delay for 6 months or 1 year, but just create this product, keep it in the system. In that case, I'll just create it, but I'll inactivate it. As soon as they say that, okay, this product, integration product is available right now in the market, go ahead and activate this product. So I can activate this product. Check this and activate it. So like this, we will be, when I say we will be, usually this work, whatever is the product, is done by the admin team, client admin team, or our admin team. If client requests us to do it, we have to do it. If client wants to do themselves, they can do it. So this is how we create a product in the Salesforce. Now product is created, right? Product is created in the system. We created the 4 products. Salesforce course, Lightning course, HTML and JavaScript integration, which is a not active. Now let's move on to understanding the price book. Price book. What is a price book here? Price book is nothing but pricing strategy. Pricing strategy to position a single product and multiple price range. What is a price book here? Price book is strategy to position on a single product and multiple price range. What is that means? When I say here, single product and multiple price range. And I'm talking about the strategy here. Strategy to position a single product and multiple price range. Now let's take a scenario. For example, so for price book examples are platinum, titanium, gold, silver. So let's take some scenario here. Scenario is laptop. Okay. The cost of the laptop, the cost of the latest laptop, what are the latest model is there? Assume that the laptop cost is 50,000. Laptop cost is 50,000. Whereas manufacturing cost of laptop is 30,000. Manufacturing cost of laptop is 30,000. Here laptop is a product. My laptop is a product. Now the product price is 50,000. And whereas manufacturing cost of the laptop is 30,000. So actual price, right? Selling price on the box. Whenever we see the box, the laptop cover, or whenever we see that, The selling price on the cover, MRP rate, it shows 50,000. MRP rate is 50,000. That means ultimately whoever is selling this laptop, they are getting the 20,000 profit out of the each box. Because the manufacturing is only 30,000. That means actual cost is 30,000. Actual cost is 30,000, but MRP says that 50,000. So ultimately they are getting the profit of 20,000 per each box, per each laptop. For each laptop, whenever they sell it, the benefit, the profit that they are getting is 20,000. Okay. Now, let's assume that on a day, there are two members came to shop or came to, we are doing some campaign or something. Assume that we are selling a laptop. So there, two persons came to buy a laptop. They did a lot of research on the laptop, and they finally, they both wanted to go with this laptop. Two members did a lot of research. They discussed with their friends and Googled what is the features of each product and how much RAM is there, how is the performance, everything they have tested, everything is working fine, and they wanted to go with this laptop. Now, whoever is selling the product, whoever is selling the laptop, the person first asks, like it's a kind of a person who are sitting there. Now this person says that, this person asks, okay, how much is the laptop? They will say that 50,000. Now they will have a communication. It goes on communication for 15 minutes, 20 minutes. They both are discussing. These people are asking questions and the person is answering all the questions. Everything, the communication is happening between them. Then suddenly this person says that, sir, I am a student. I cannot offer 50,000. I cannot offer 50,000. Then he start bargaining it. He start convincing this person to reduce it. Because I am a student, I cannot offer 50,000. I cannot offer 50,000. Now, after a couple of conversation, here the person, whoever is selling the laptop, the person is understood that, okay, this person really need it, but he cannot give 50,000. But we wanted to sell a laptop. The goal for this person, whoever the person is selling, the goal for this person is he has to sell 2 laptops per day. Okay, but he needs to sell this laptop, but this person is cannot offer. Now what he does is, he will think that this person will say that, okay, see, I cannot give you because 50,000 is the MRP, we cannot reduce it. Then suddenly this person came. Okay, this person came and this person is asked 50,000. He said, okay, 50,000 same cost is said to this person. But here this person is CEO of the company. CEO of the company. See here, two customers are in a different position. One person is a CEO, one person is a student. There is a drastic change here between two customers. Now, this person, he apply a strategy here. He apply a strategy here. He will say to the student, okay, at least give me 40,000. Okay, final price is 40,000. I cannot reduce it more than that. So that means what is happening here? He is reducing a 10,000 here. He is reducing 10,000 to student and selling the laptop. Now, where the CEO, he know this, whoever is selling person is there, he knows about this person. He can offer. This person has a capability to pay 50,000. Pay 50,000. So what he will do is, he will not give any discount to CEO. He will say that, okay, sir, this is the 50,000. MRP, wherever you go, you will find the same price, whether you wanted to buy or not. Straightforward, he will say, because this person is confident that he will buy it, because he always looks for his standard. So when he is confident, he will straightforward say that, okay, MRP is 50,000. Wherever you go, you will find the same range. Whether you buy in my shop or a different shop, 50,000. There is nobody reduce the MRP. Now this person is ready to pay the 50,000. Now here, what happened here? He applied a strategy and selling a single product. This person is applied a strategy here. Applied a strategy and he is selling a single product. We are selling the single product here, but multiple price range. Multiple price range. Now he will, when he is doing the documentation, what he will do, whom he has sold the laptop. For the student, he will say, for the student, he will say he is a gold customer. And for CEO, he says that platinum customer. Gold customers are medium customers, platinum customers are rich customers, kind of a thing. Okay, so he will range this person into the platinum customer and student into the gold customer. Okay, he has applied a strategy, he sold it for the same product, multiple price range he has sold it. So here we have to understand and we should know where to leave the margin and where to not to leave the margin, because if I cannot give a discount to this person, I cannot give a discount to this person because he can offer that much price, but whereas this person cannot offer, either we have to go down little bit and this person has to come little bit higher. For example, this person says 35,000 and this person is still saying the 50,000 final rate. They will say that, okay, 40,000, take it. So this person has to come down, this person has to go up. So he has applied a strategy because this customer is a gold customer. This customer is gold customer, and that means it's a medium customer. Medium customer. Now platinum customers they are ready to pay. So there is no doubt in that. So not only this, when you go for a bank loan, for example, there is a bank who is giving the bank loan. Do you think everybody will get the same interest rate? When bank gives the loan, do you think everybody gets same interest?
No, madam.
Everybody won't get same interest. Loan is same. They are taking the loan same, but they might give 11% to one person and 12%, 13% to other person. Why? Because same product, multiple price. He has applied a strategy there by looking at, because when they are giving a loan, they will ask how much your salary, take home, everything they will ask. Based on that, they will put a percentage. Based on that, they will put a percentage. In another scenario, if the customer is a platinum customer, okay, if the customer is platinum customer, if they are taking a 10 million loan or 1 million loan, so in that case, what they will do is they will put a percentage very less, 9% like that they will put it. So whether 1 lakh is or 1 million or 1 lakh, whatever is there, if you put a 9% interest, at the end of that loan, they will get a maximum amount from the platinum customer. Whereas If the gold customer definitely he will not take the 1 lakh or 1 million loan. He will take 50,000, 80,000 now, right? Up to 90,000 he might take it. In that case, what they will do is based on his salary, based on his capability, the person, the loan or bank will put a percentage interest on that. Whatever, how much is the percentage, they will decide it. So everywhere the strategy is there from the day starts when you start buying it, wherever you go, definitely there is a strategy applied based on the customer, the range of the customer. Is it a customer, is a gold customer or a platinum customer or a titanium customer or silver customer? Based on that, there is a price is definitely changes. Definitely changes the price, right? Now this is a price. This is price book is nothing but where we are applying the strategy to a position, a single product and multiple price range. Now, how to create a price book in Salesforce? Navigation steps, click on app launcher, select a price book, click on new button on price book object. When you click on a new button on the price book object, this is the screen that you will see. Now here there are 4 fields are there, 4 fields. The first one is price book, name of the price book, platinum customer or a gold customer or a silver customer. In the description, more details about the price book, what kind of a description, like what kind of a price book is it, whether the price book is active or not, that is the active checkbox. Active checkbox. Now the fourth one is standard price book. That means whether you are selling a product to the platinum customer or a gold customer or silver customer, doesn't matter. The price is standard for everybody. We are not going to change the price based on the type of customer, based on the what are the customer are there. Whether it is a student, CEO or anybody, the price never changes. If I check this, the price does not going to change. For every customer, price is standard. Now here we have only one mandatory field is called price book name. Price book name. Now create a following 4 price book in Salesforce, Sales Cloud, Platinum active, Gold active, Silver active, Bronze not active. So here is the table. Platinum, all premium customers, Gold, all medium customers, Silver, entry level, Bronze, let's take it as a customer. So first 3 are active and next one is, what are the Bronze is there, that is not active. Is standard price book, we are by default going to put it as a no. Now let's go ahead and see. Now let's go ahead and add the price book, add more items. Click on this plus button, add one navigation item. So here it is added. If you wanted to move it to top, after the product, you can add it. So this is another way which you can do it. Now for other cloud, why it is not displaying, that I'll come to later. So either you can go to the app builder, Lightning app builder, you can do it, or from here also you can adjust your tabs. Now we have a price book. Okay, so click on new button. We have to create a 4 records. Platinum, description, all premium customers, active, Is standard price book? No, I'm not going to check this right now. Click on save. Instead of save, I'll click on save and new. Next one is gold. Active. All medium customers. Click on save and new. And the third one is silver. Check. Entry level customers. Click on save and new. And the last one is bronze customers. Active. I'll just say customers here. No, it's not active. Do we have an active here? Bronze is not active. So let's uncheck this, click on a save. And let's go back to price book. Okay, so we have 4 records here. We created 4 records. First one is not active, rest all is active. Right? We created the 4 records. Now we have created a product. Salesforce course, Lightning, HTML, JavaScript integration. These are the product which we have created it. And also we created the price book, platinum, gold, silver, bronze. This is product and this is price book. Now, when I create a product, there should be an amount I have to enter. Now, product is, it's about the product information. It does not have an amount information here. Price book is a strategy, right? This is a strategy, whether what type of a customer it is. Now, where are we going to enter the price, the amount, the product price? Where are we going to enter the product price? So we have another object or another option is called price book entry. Another option is called price book entry. So this sits between the product and price book. Price book entry sits between the product and price book entry. That means which product should link to which price book is decided here. Which product has to link with which price book is decided in this price book entry. Along with the deciding the product and price book, it also decides the amount. It also decides the amount. How much do we have to save? How much is the, for example, Salesforce course for gold customers or platinum customers or silver customers? What is the amount that we are going to offer? Everything is decided here. These two are individual objects. Product is just product information. Price book is just a strategy we are going to put there. But in between this, there is another one which is called as a price book entry, where it is decided by the which product is linked to which price book and what is the cost of this product is decided in this. Now, every product, before creating a price book entry, every product should have a standard price. That means I have a product here. Let me go to Paint. I have a product here. This is the product. Now here we have a different price book information. Whether it is a gold customer or platinum customer, but all these customers' details will be in the price book. Now, if you are selling a product, right? If the product is declared in the system, if I have to play a strategy based on the, platinum or gold customer or silver customer, if I have to play a strategy, then I need to know what is the standard price. I need to know what is the standard price. Based on that, I can play a strategy here. If I don't know the standard price, how can we play the strategy here? We cannot play the strategy. So that's the reason every product in Salesforce should link a standard price first, then you add a price book entry. Where you add a price book entry. So every product should be linked to the standard price. And after that, you add a price book entry for the which product, which customer, everything you can decide it here. But there has to have a standard price which is linked to the product. So that's what here. Every product should have a standard price and different price based on the price book. Now, how do we add this price book entry? How do we add the price book entry? There are different ways we can add the price book entry. For example, I'll go to the product. I'll go for a Salesforce course. Now, this is the record we have created, right? Now, click on the related list. Any questions? By the way, I keep on going. Any questions? Product price book till this point? I'm sorry,
No.
I forgot. I was completely involved. Any questions? Okay. So product, this is the record that we created, right? So click on this related. When we click on this related, you see here price book related object. Now there is a add standard price. First, we need to add a standard price. Click on that add standard price. When you click on add standard price, by default, product information is shown here. And then price book, by default, it is chosen as a standard price book. For add standard price, the price book is always standard price book. This is provided by Salesforce. Where can I see that standard price book? Click on this price book. Yeah. Somehow it is not showing. Let me try here. Okay, drop down option is not showing here. Let me switch to the classic. Okay, so we are looking at the price book. Go to this price book, click on all. So only 6 are there. See here. Platinum, gold, bronze, silver, which we have created. Right? Silver is deactive. Now, standard price book is provided by Salesforce. Standard price book is provided by Salesforce. Now, you can add this price book. You can add this price book. Go to the product, open Salesforce course, go to the related list, click on add standard price. When you click on add standard price, price book, product, both will be by default, it will take it up. By default, it will take it up for the standard price. Now you decide Salesforce course. For example, this is 1,50,000. Okay. Now I'm just adding the price here. I'll click on save. For standard price book, there won't be any product code. Remember this. For the standard price book, there won't be product code. We will not be having a product code. We will not be having a product code. So click on save. Now we see here it's added. This is the amount and it is active. Now, as soon as I add the standard price book, it changed here. The button has changed automatically, add to price book. Previously, what was there? It was add to standard price book. Now let me open again one more product. If I go to the HTML and JavaScript, click on related. What do I see here? I see add standard price. But what I see here, add product to price book. That means as soon as we add a standard price book, the button is going to change here. Whatever the previous button is there, it will not show after adding the standard price book. It will show only the add price book. Now I'll do the same thing here. Add standard price book. Now HTML, let's say 90,000. Click on save. Now here it is. Immediately it gets changed. It switched. It changed to add to price book. Now when I click on add to price book, the first thing it is going to ask, which price book do you want to go for it? Here, whether the price book is active or not, it will show all the price book. It doesn't matter whether the price book is active or not here. Now, if I choose platinum currency, choose USD for now, click on next. When I click on a next, what will happen? It is coming back to the price book entry. So that means first it is asking the information about the price book. First it is asking the information about price book. When I click on add price book, when I click on add price book, the first thing it will ask, choose a price book. Choose a price book. Whether it is a gold, platinum or gold or silver, right? You choose it. Now, once it is chosen, then it will go to the next screen. Then it will go to the next screen. The next screen is automatically the product price book is by default, it is showing the price book, whatever we have selected, it's a default, it is showing here. Product, it is showing here. Now, see here, the list price is automatically coming the 1,50,000 because the standard price is 1,50,000. Now, maybe this is the platinum customer, they can pay it, but for their satisfaction, what we can do is we will tell them that we are giving, we are going to give you the 20% or 10% discount. So let's take this as a 10,000, no 10,000. So let's give it as a 90,000. So let's click on save. Right? On top of the standard price, we are making a changes. We are giving a discount here based on the price book name. Now, if you wanted to add multiple customers here, gold customer, USD, next. gold customer. So let's give the person is probably 70,000. Let's click on save. So like this, for every product, we are going to add a new price book because this product can be sold to only the platinum customer and gold customer. We cannot sell this product to the silver customer. We cannot sell this product to the silver customer or bronze customer. Now it is similar like if you heard this Ferrari car, right? Ferrari cars are, they will not sell the car to anyone, like whomever they want, they cannot sell it. For example, if I'm going to buy a Volkswagen or Maruti to car showroom, so they will have just a bank balance and they wanted to fill some forms and they are going to tell that on this date it will be available for you, right? That is the basic information they are going to ask and we can buy the car. But Ferrari is not like that. Ferrari, they are not going to sell the car for everybody. Though you have a cash in your pocket, but they are not going to sell the car. The first thing they are going to ask is how much your salary, how much your take home. So they will check your, they will ask you to fill the form. After filling the form, they will do some kind of a investigation. When they say investigation means, is every month in your account is 50,000 or 25,000 or 1 lakh, for example, 1 lakh. Every month from last 6 years, are you maintaining the 1 lakh in your month? For example, you suddenly got a lottery. Till yesterday, zero balance. Today you got a lottery. And if you go and buy, if you say them that I wanted to buy because I got a lottery, they will not sell it. Because they will see the position of the person and they will see how they are maintaining their account balance and how much they are capable to buy a Ferrari car. So it's similar like, so for every product, they will decide it, who are the customer. If they wanted to sell, then only they will sell the car to that customer. If you go and throw the money also, they will not pay, they will not give you the Ferrari car. You need to have a standard balance for almost 6 years or almost 5 years. You need to have a maintained balance in your bank account. And also they will see your living lifestyle also. So those kind of investigation they does it. Based on that, if they qualify, then they are going to sell the car. So it is similar like a few products, they are going to sell that, okay, we are going to sell this product only for gold customers, only for platinum. If the customer is gold, then this is the amount. If the customer is platinum, this is the amount. What we are doing here, I'm connecting the product price book. I'm not connecting the customer here, customer nowhere here. I'm just deciding the product and based on the price book, what is the cost it is. We are just deciding what is the product and based on the price book, what is the cost of it. We are just adding it here. So now we have added the price book. Now when you open this platinum, so you are going to redirect it to the price book. But when you click on add price book, right? The first screen will be the add price book and the next screen will be the price book entry. This screen is price book entry. Price book entry is sits between the price book and product. Price book entry sits between the product and price book. It will connect it. It will connect both of them. Okay, this is my product. It will say that, okay, they will give, this is my product. Now it will try to find this. So whatever is their information, it will take the information and it will decide the amount. It will decide the amount. Whatever the amount is there, it will be decided here. So price book entry is always sits between the product and price book. Now, what is that called? We will discuss that later. we will call, there is a name to it, but for now, understand it because we are learning the functionality here. We are learning the consulting. Now, just understand right now, price book entry sits between the product and price book entry, where we are deciding for this product, for this price book, we are deciding the price. Now, either you can add it from the product by clicking on this, right? If you go to the price book and open the Platinum, click on related. Now here also you see the price book entries. You see price book entry. Platinum is right now connected to the Salesforce course. Salesforce course. Now let's go ahead and add the product. You can add it from the price book. You can add the product also. From the price book, you can add a product also. Now you can see so many products are there here. You can see so many products are there here, but these are Salesforce has provided, right? So whatever GenVat or installation you see here, those are provided by Salesforce. Now, do you see the difference here? HTML is only one we are able to see. Where are others? Others we are not able to see. Why we are not able to see? We have created a lightning also. We have created interface. HTML only I can see. What is the reason? So just open this. Okay, it's already open. The reason is I have added the standard price. Whoever the product has a standard price, only those we can see in the price book. And if I go to the lightning course, go to the related, click on add standard price. Okay, let's decide it. This is a 90,000. Click on save. Now I wanted to add a products. Is it showing here lightning course, right? So that means if you are trying to add a product from the price book, if you wanted to add a product from the price book, the first thing is that you need to link a standard price to the product. Is it getting confused? Price book entry. Okay, so price book entry will decide which product and which price book and what is the amount decided by price book entry. Now this price book entry can be added in two ways. Can be added in two ways. Go to the product. Go to the products and click on any record. Click on any record. And then it will take you to the detail section. Click on related list. Click on related list. In related list, you will see the object called price book. You will see the object called price book. On that, you will see the button. There is a button. If it is a new product, you will see add standard price. Right? For any product, standard price must be added. Now, after adding the standard price, you will see the button called add price book entry. Add price book entry. Right? This is the one way to add the price book entry. The second way is go to the price book. Go to price book. Click on any record. click on any record and it will take you to the detail section. Click on related list. And then there is a button called add product. And then choose from the, once you click on that button, there is a window gets open. From that, choose a product. Choose a product. So two ways we can add the price book entry. One from the product, another from price book. From the price book, you need to click on this add products and choose it here. Only wherever the standard price is added, only those will be available in this. Click on next, it will be added to the price book. Now, once it is added, now here you choose it. Standard price 90,000. From where it is coming 90,000? Because we added here the 90,000. Standard price we added 90,000. Now it is asking, do you want it to maintain the same one or do you want it to change it? Let's change it to 80,000. Click on save. Perfect, it is added here. Lightning course also it is added. Now if I refresh my product, the price book will be shown. Go to the related. Now you see here, automatically it is added the platinum. This is how we have to link the product and price book. This is the configuration we should know because this is very important topic in real time. If you are working in Sales Console or Sales Cloud, if you are having an opportunity and there we need to understand what is my product and what is my price cost, how they are deciding it, right? So they will, everything we need to understand because tomorrow if there is any problem, they are going to raise a ticket to you, ticket to developer saying that my product Lightning course has the price book platinum 80,000, right? But I'm seeing that when I'm giving a, finally when I'm generating everything, it says that 70,000. Why it is happening? It is coming bit low or it is coming higher. Why it's so? Or when I'm showing the product in the website, right? I'm showing the product called Lightning course. When I show the product, it is displaying the 90,000 or it is displaying 80,000. Why it is displaying 80,000? It should display the standard price 90,000. So they raise these kind of questions. So we need to debug. If we have to debug it, we need to understand the connection between the product and price book. Is it clear, product and price book?
Swapna?
Yeah.
Yeah, so I see that there is one option called standard also, right? There is standard price book and there is standard. I think this also Salesforce provides, right?
Yes.
So what's the difference between that?
Deactive, active.
Sorry?
Deactive, active. Do you
It's
see any
active.
differences when you open the price book? Do you see any differences?
Fine.
Standard is a deactive, standard price book is a active.
Okay. So either one of them will be active?
You can choose it. You can choose. You can deactivate this one or you can activate this one.
Okay.
When you click on this standard, you will see this is what all options will be there. Right? And when you open the deactive one, you will see standard price book, deactive. Basically both are same, but they have given two.
Okay, because I think we cannot delete the standard price book, but we can delete the standard book.
You can delete it.
Yeah.
You
And
can delete it, you can make a changes to this, you can modify it, anything you can do it.
Okay. Now, like how we have tabs for product price book. So now product entry, price book entry is a junction table. So we will never have a tab for a junction table?
No.
Okay.
Any questions for the new members who are new to Salesforce? Any questions? Is it clear?
Swapna, I'm having one question.
Yes.
Actually, how these products are maintain the relationship with the account? Because I am having Apple is one of the account, right? So Apple may ask us to marketing or sell products. So how they will maintain the relation?
Okay.
So
Product does not have a linking to the account. There is another way. Indirect relation is there. We have not yet reached. I'll be explaining after this.
Okay, so thank you.
Yeah. Because when we go to the product, we don't see any account field here.
Yes.
Say that product code active or not. It does not have a direct relation to the account as per the standard one.
Yes. Oh, maybe
There
we
is
can custom.
another way which we can do it. Indirect relation is there, which I'm going to show right now.
Okay. Thanks, Swapna.
Any questions on the product price book entry?
Hi, Swapna. I'm Ram.
Yeah, Ram Gopal.
Standard you given some price code, no? Then price book entry some standard amount. But what is the difference between both?
Standard is the product price.
Okay.
Standard product price. But based on the price book, you can reduce it or you can keep it same.
Okay. Yeah, thank you. Because
Ma'am, like standard price is like just like an MRP, right?
Yeah, I'm happy.
Swapna?
Yeah.
Suppose now a customer walks in, okay, and I want to give him some discount. Okay, so I cannot give him discount until unless I create a price book entry, right?
First of all, we have to define that what kind of a customer it is. And so that is the part which we are going to come up. What kind of a customer, opportunity, from the opportunity, discount part, hold on it. Right now, we are just doing the strategy based on the price book.
Okay.
Okay, so now coming to the opportunity and product. Assume that the customer is very much interested. The lead is already got converted into the opportunity. When the lead is converted into the opportunity, there is an account contact opportunity is created. Now, whatever the opportunity is created, we have to link a product. What are the customer interest product is there? We have to link that product to the customer opportunity. So that means I have an opportunity which is created, right? By converting the lead, there is an opportunity that got created. Now, there is a product. Product is already there in my system. Now I need to link that product to the opportunity because I know that this person is ready to buy this product, right? When we know that lead is, yes, this person is a genuine. When we say this person is genuine, means he is ready to buy the product. So when he is ready to buy, that means we are going to convert the lead to the opportunity. When it is converted the opportunity, after the conversion, we will go to the opportunity and we will link the product which the customer is interested. So how we will do that? So during the connection of this product, we will also define the quantity. We will also define the quantity, how many product that this person is needed. How many, 4 laptops, 5 laptops, or 1 laptop, how many products that this person is needed. So we will decide the quantity of how many quantity also we will decide it. Now let's go to the opportunity, the one which we have created right now. Which one we have created? Recent. Salesforce opportunity. We have created Salesforce opportunity. Go to the detail section. Right, this is the Salesforce we have created. Because when we were creating it, the lead, that time we gave the first name, last name as Melissa, and the company name we gave it as a Salesforce. Right, so opportunity name also we have given the Salesforce -opportunity. Now when the opportunity is created, right, you see here the amount is a blank. Amount is blank. No information, just the opportunity is created, but it does not have any either the amount or percentage or revenue, nothing is there, right? Just an opportunity is created. Now what I'll do is I'll link the product to the opportunity. For linking the product, click on this here, we see here products, click on this link and it shows add products. When you click on add product, choose. Assume that platinum customer. Click on save. It just asking me the price book. Now, when I select the price book, in the price book, there are 2 products are there. There are 2 products in the platinum. Do you want to go with the 2 products or do you want to go with a single product? If you say, yes, I wanted to go with both the products, then check it. Then click on next. Now, here it is going to ask, okay, from my team, there are 3 members who are looking for the lightning course and 2 members who are looking for Salesforce course, Now, what we have done here, I have selected the platinum. Now, does it giving the sales price, standard price is it giving, or is it giving the after whatever we have done the changes, right? So if I go to let me go to the lightning course, go to the related, right? Standard is 90,000, platinum is 80,000. But how much it is showing here for me? 80,000 it is showing. It is not showing the 90,000. Why? I'm not selecting the product directly. What I'm doing it, first it is asking me choose the price book. That means choose the, it is by default, it is coming here. Okay. Inspect, empty cache hard.
I think default it chosen platinum Swapna. Previously you have selected red. Maybe that's why.
That's the reason it is coming the same screen. Okay. Click on add product. Again, it is coming same. Okay. So once it is chosen. Okay, let's select this lightning course and Salesforce course. Click on next. Now lightning course, I need a 3 members. Here Salesforce course, 2 members. Date, we can say anything here. For example, 8th Feb. 8th Feb, and you can add a description. Nothing is mandatory here. Mandatory is quantity, sales price, product. Product and sales prices by default it is displaying based on the price book. Quantity is we have to enter. Date is not mandatory, but if you wanted to enter, enter. Click on save. Now, as soon as it's saved, what happened here? Click on detail. How many products it has added? It added the 2 products. Now, sum of these two. Sum of these two. How much sum of these two? 80, 90. What are the amount is there? Right? It is showing the amount. Sorry. Okay. So I'll come to that later. So this is here we are added the
Quantity also, quantity into.
yes, quantity. So total 5 are there. So 80,000 into 3, 90,000 into 2, and plus sum of these two. So total it will be 4,20,000. And what is the expected revenue out of this? 84,000. Right? Revenue is added automatically out. From this opportunity, we are going to get expected revenue is 84,000. Amount is some 4,20,000. Now, if you wanted to delete, later you have understood that no, not 3 members. Lightning course, maybe they are not interested right now. What I'll say is, maybe I'll go with 1 member right now because other 2 are not ready right now. Maybe they will join next batch. So when we say, okay, 1 member, then immediately the amount is reflected here. Immediately the amount is reflected here. And if you wanted to delete it, you can delete. Later you said that, okay, I said that maybe I do not want the lightning course for me also. So can you delete the lightning course for me also? Because I do not wanted to go. I will also go with the next batch. Okay, you can delete it. Or if you wanted to keep it, you can keep it. So now the opportunity is connected to product. Now, ultimately what is happening? Account is indirectly connected to the product. Now I have an opportunity. This is my opportunity. This is the opportunity. For this opportunity, I added a multiple products. I added multiple products. Assume that product 1, product 2, product 1, product 2, product 3. Okay, so now these products are connected to this opportunity. As soon as it is connected to this opportunity, ultimately what happened? The opportunity amount is reflected. Amount is reflected and expected revenue is also reflected. As expected, revenue also reflected here. But this opportunity is connected to the account, the customer, connected to the customer. Right, there is a relation between the opportunity and account. So within this opportunity, I see the account. Now on the customer level, if I wanted to know the amount information, how many product this customer is taking, ultimately I can get the information. This is indirectly connected here through the opportunity, but you can capture the total amount of this product on the customer level. On the customer level, you can capture the information. right? So does it display default the customer information here? If I go to the amount, what are the amount is there? Will I be able to see all the information? I don't think so. You will be able to see. By default, you will not be able to see any of those information. You have to create a field here. You have to create a field. The field is like the field should be what it should happen. It should say that the field should say that go to opportunity. For this opportunity, whatever the amount is there, get those amount here. Or else, if you need another field, right, what you have to do is go to opportunity. In the opportunity, whatever the products are linked here, get all those information to the account. For that, you need to customize it. By default, it won't be available here. You cannot see by default, right? Maximum opportunity amount, you can see it, but you cannot see the product information. But there is a way which you can do it, but for that, you need to customize it. Any questions? Okay.
Swapna,
Yeah.
how do we calculate the expected revenue? Is there a formula or something?
Yes, there is a formula. That is a different topic, expected revenue.
And I just noticed, suppose if you go in any opportunity, and if I do not have any product, suppose, okay, still I'm able to enter the amount. Okay, so this amount corresponds to what? We can enter any amount like that without linking it to a product. Is it allowed?
Can you repeat that?
Yeah, so if I go in any opportunity, a new opportunity where there are no products into it,
Mhm,
okay, so obviously there won't be any amount, right?
mhm.
But that amount field is editable. I mean, I can
Yes.
inline editing is possible.
You can edit it. If you want to mess up the system, you can do that. That's totally, it's dealt by it can be edited. But in real time, we won't allow anybody to edit the amount. They should be readable.
Mhm. Okay, so there must be some settings for this, right?
Yeah.
Okay. And one more thing, now we are adding products from a particular price book, right? Suppose now this opportunity, I want this customer, I want to give product from the platinum price book and the same product or another product from another price book. So can I add it to the same opportunity?
Repeat that again.
Yeah, now I'm adding a product. Okay, now we chose platinum price book, right?
Mhm.
And we added products from the platinum price book. Now suppose I want to add another product which is from the gold price book and I want to attach it to the same opportunity. Is it allowed? Different price books? Products from different price books?
Okay. So let me go to the opportunity, the one which we have added already.
Yeah.
Where is it? Recently viewed.
Sales.
Salesforce opportunity. Click on product. Add product. If you want to choose a price book, change the price book, silver. Click on save. If you do that, what will happen? This entire data will go away. Because the scenario is right now we have added the platinum. Now they will come and say that no, we do not want a platinum gold. We want maybe silver. We wanted to, this customer is a silver. not a platinum. So what I'll do is that, okay, I have created this product by mistakenly. Now go ahead and edit this, click on a choose price book. It was a platinum, change this to silver, click on save. When you change this to silver, what will happen? What are the existing, the products are there, those will be deleted, permanently deleted from your opportunity. Permanently deleted from your opportunity. So you won't see any of the products. So what that means is you need to add the product again from the starting. Click on a silver. So we have already chosen the silver. Now let's click on this. Add products. The amount, it will take some time to refresh it. It won't be immediately. Now when I choose a add product, I do not see any products here. Now what I'll do is again and choose the price book, not silver. Maybe I'll go for a gold. Let's save it. Yes, perfectly fine. Now I'll click on add products. One is their Salesforce. Click on next. Quantity it is going to us. Let's assume that 3 members. Now let's click on save. Right, it is added here. So you have an option, either you can edit the product, you can choose a different price book, you can sort a product, and you can add few more products here.
And then does this opportunity table saves the history of whatever edits we have done on this opportunity? Is it possible to see the
Yes, history will be there. That is a different topic. History will be there.
Okay. Okay, okay. Thanks.
Okay, so here at products level, if you wanted to change the price book, you can change it. If you wanted to sort the product, you can click on the sorting. And if you wanted to edit the products, when I say edit the product, price book is same. Price book is same. Now they said that not 2 members. I want 4 members. They will say that, okay, there are 4 members who are going to join. Click on save. You can edit it. And if you wanted to add a product, you can add few more products for the same price book called gold. For the same price book called gold. Add a product is nothing but here on the opportunity. That means the price book is already selected. The price book is already selected. You have to choose the product. You have to choose the product here. Now, so assume that this is the final details. Assume that Salesforce course, they are going to take it. And how many members? 4 members. So 70,000 into 4. So whatever the amount is come. Now I have to send, the person will send that, okay, send me the details, send me the amount and payment details. Now how can I send? Do I need to take a screenshot of this and send it? Right? So I need not to do that. I should not be doing that because this is for us. This is for internal. When customer wants a bill or when customer wants a quote, right? They wanted to see the quote, how the quote has happened on the product based on how much price you have given and how much quantity you have given, what is the total amount, right? They need this information. They are not interested in seeing this record. I cannot take a screenshot and give them that, okay, this is the one, you see this information, right? If we have to generate a code, now I need to generate a code for the person because they are ready to pay everything. This is finalized. The product is finalized and total amount is finalized. Everything is finalized, right? Now, code. How can we do the code? For first of all, to what is the code here? What is mean by code?
What is no quotation? for a product, how much it will be, the amount,
Yes.
how much amount it will be.
How much amount, the price of your company's product, the price of product, the price of service, which we have to give a quote to the customer. So we won't be seeing the quote here, right? Here you see here product, notes, attachment, contacts, partner, stage history. You cannot see it. Even if you go to the edit page, click on edit page. Wow. Okay, so let's click on edit page. Seems like network slow. Edit page. Now, if I try to search here, code won't be there. And let's see the page layout. Okay, give some time. If you click on these details, click on this detail section. Okay, opportunity layout. So click on this opportunity layout. Okay, so here if I go to the related list, right, I do not see the quote. Quote is not available. I can see orders, I can see products, and I can see file, but quote is not available. Now, we have to first enable the code in Salesforce. For enabling, go to setup and go to the feature setting. In the feature setting, we have a sales codes code setting. If you click on that code setting, you will see this screen. You will see this screen. It says that enable or disable codes for your organization. This feature allows user to create a code and generate a PDF of the code. So if you click on enable, if you click on this button, the next screen will be appear like this. So it will say that select a page layout that should include the codes related list. If you wanted to include a code related list, then select here the options and then click on a save. Now let's go back to the Salesforce home. Why it is too slow. Home and then feature setting. Then go to the sales. Here is the codes. Now you see code setting. Now observe this. Within the codes, we have only one option called code setting. We have only one option called code setting.
Ma'am,
If you click
code
on
whatever
this,
is it
sorry.
is it object? No? Is it object or
Yes, we will see that. It's an object only. So click on this enable. When you click on this enable, no, do not be hurry because it will redirect it to this page. Now include that codes into the check all these 4 options and then click on save. Opportunity layout, opportunity support layout, marketing layout, sales layout. Now go to the opportunity layout right now. So when you go to the opportunity layout, you will see related list, go to the related list and here is the codes. Codes is automatically added here. Right, if you want codes to be linked in the opportunity, then enable that. Enable that. Codes is the object. If you search here in the app launcher, you will find the codes. But if you wanted to link the codes to the opportunity, if you wanted to link the opportunity, the codes, if you wanted to see here the related list codes, then you need to enable that. You need to enable. So that's what it says here. Enable or disable the code for your organization. This feature allows to create a code and generate a PDF of the code. If you wanted to generate a PDF on that opportunity, then you can select this, enable it, so that what will happen next time when you go to the opportunity, you will see a codes here.
Swapna, if we add new layout for the opportunity in future, so then we have to again go in the page layout and then enable it for the code for that particular page layout.
No, it will be added automatically because when you create a new page layout, you will be copying the existing one and creating the new one.
Okay. And what is that last option, which is append to users personal related list customization?
Sorry.
There is one more option, right? Append to users personal related list customization. When we enable the code setting, what is that option supposed to do?
So let's do that again. So click on enable. Append to users personal related list customization. We have a separate list of the users personal related list customization. If you check that, you will see there is a it will append the users information also. If you want, you can check that also. So that's all for today. So today we have learned product price book, linking the product and price book, which is using the price book entry, and how to link the opportunity to the product and how the products are connected to the customer, and how to enable the quote. These are the things which we have learned so far. Now questions. What is a product master?
It consists of product details and price book entries. Price book, I
Maintain
mean.
the product and
Maintaining
related
product and the corresponding price is called
nothing but a product master.
Master table maintaining the product and corresponding price. What is product?
any item or
Any
commodity
service.
The item which is which we can
available
sell,
for sale.
available for sales.
Any item available for sale. What is price book?
The strategy for
It's a
the
pricing strategy.
Pricing strategy
Pricing
to
strategy
position
given to a particular product
price
depending
range.
on a condition.
Others? What is price book? Radha, what is price book?
Price book has the strategy. Whether it is platinum, gold, silver, bronze.
Pricing strategy to position a single product and multiple price range.
Yeah.
Where do we add price and amount? Add product or add price book or add price book entry or add
Add price. Price.
Add price.
Add price.
Price book.
Price book.
Add price book.
price we add in the price book entry, right?
Where do we add the price amount?
In the entry,
Price book
price
entry.
book and entry.
Price book
Price book.
entry.
Do we add it in the price book?
No.
No,
No.
standard price.
Price book entry.
Price book entry and standard price. In the standard price also we add it. Okay, this is the homework. So first create the 4 products. First 3 products are active and the last one is not active. Create iPhone 14, Samsung Note, OnePlus. iPhone 14, Samsung Note are active and OnePlus is not active. And then create a 4 price book. 4 price book, platinum, gold, silver, bronze. Bronze is not active, rest all is active. Now, next create a new lead and convert the lead into account contact opportunity. So take the lead first name as Sachin, lead last name is Tendulkar. So create this new lead and convert this lead to the opportunity. Once the opportunity is created, link the products to the opportunity. So take the price book as a gold and silver. Quantity is 4. And check the total amount on the opportunity. And second one, create another lead, Cristiano Ronaldo, and convert this lead to the opportunity and add the price book, platinum, gold, silver. Quantity is 2 for all of them.
Maths करपाय मग
On Monday.
So quantity is 2. Check the total amount on the opportunity, right? So total 2 leads. First create the product and then create the price book. Then create the first lead, Sachin Tendulkar, convert that into the opportunity, link the products to the opportunity. How many? 4. Quantity is 4 and check the amount on the opportunity. Second is create another lead, Cristiano Ronaldo, convert that into the opportunity and then link the products to the opportunity. Choose the price book, platinum, gold, silver. Quantity is 2. And the total amount is, Check the total amount on the opportunity.
Swapna?
Yes.
Swapna, before the class, when we start this prize book and all, you just created a page, right? The lightning one in that.
Yes. Created the records, not the page, created the records.
Can you please explain me that, why are we doing that?
Okay, so this is the one you are talking about, prize book?
Yeah. Before this, when we are going into this prize book, you were creating the page, right? In the page layout.
Page layout. I did not go to the page layout. Maybe you are talking about this one.
No, not this. Where we can able to see our page, I think so.
Okay, are you talking about the edit page on the opportunity? If I click on this and I clicked on this edit page.
Yeah, edit page.
Okay, are you talking about this? Okay. So the reason why I went here to identify what page layout this lightning page has. So when I went here, I clicked on the detail section. When I clicked on the detail section, here I could see what is the page layout. Then once I choose the page layout, I wanted to check whether the code is already available in the related list or not.
Okay.
Right? By default, code will not be available because we have to enable the code.
Okay.
So I wanted to show you that the layout mentioning that just wanted to show you guys that code is by default, it won't be available in the related list. So that is the reason I went there.
Yeah, this is what.
Okay, so what I did is I clicked on this details section and I selected this. When I selected this, here the screen will change. Okay, here you see assign page layout. So here I see the page layout preview. That means this is the one which is assigned to this lightning page. I clicked on this opportunity layout. It took me to the page layout. And directly we came here, I clicked on the related list. In the related list, I was not able to see this code. So I enabled the code and again I refresh this page. Now we are able to see the code.
Okay. So you just refresh to see the codes, right? That's it you have done.
No, we have to enable the code. Go to setup, go to home, find here code setting.
Feature settings.
Yeah, feature setting, sales code, code setting, and click on here enable option. When you click on enable, you will see one screen. The screen is, it will ask what are the options should be enabled there.
Okay.
So this is the screen you will see when you click on the enable. Check all of this and click on the save.
Okay. So over there we can see that code, right?
Once it is enabled, you can refresh the page layout. You will be able to see in the related list.
Okay. Yeah, thank you. And one more thing, Swapna, in the lightning, in the last session, we just done this, the lightning component we used to do this, last assignment you have just given us, right? The quick action one and all. So actually, I have some bit confusion in that,
okay, we'll come to the assignment later.
Yeah. Okay.
Let's wind up this. Okay, any questions on today's session?
Ma'am, if you don't mind, can you please tell me like how like lead can be converted to opportunity in a quick way? Like actually I forgot like how to convert that.
Click on this, create a new lead. Okay, open the lead. Let's switch to the lightning. You will have a button called convert on the lead. So click on this. Here you will see convert button.
Oh yes, ma'am.
Okay, or else you can click on this converted and select this converted status. It will take you here.
So it will be going into opportunity, like how that account and contact will be created.
It's created automatically, right? That's what we are doing. We have seen in the last 3 sessions. Because when we click on the convert, the account contact is created, opportunity is also created, and it will link opportunity with the account. What are the account is there here? It will be internally implemented that.
Okay.
So-
Can you please explain what is lead map?
You are back to the original classes. You have to review my 2 sessions if I have to say leads. Better
Lead
go.
mapping,
Yes.
ma'am. It's I think special button we have. I think so. Someone said like that. Lead
Which one
mapping.
you are talking about?
Yeah, ma'am. To assign lead mapping, not convert. To assign the lead mapping, we have. I think one button is there. I heard about that. I don't know
Okay,
exactly.
lead mapping is a different part of it.
Yeah.
I have not reached that point.
Okay.
Swapna,
Yeah.
you said that you will show me later, why we are not able to see the edit navigation besides all the app.
Yeah,
Is there any setting? Can you tell me that?
yes. Any
See,
questions
in the
on this
marketing,
topic
yeah,
before I go on to that? Any questions on product, price book entry, quote, enabling the quote? Okay. So that means no. I'll stop recording.